Hey YouTube, so we continue on Psychotronics. Psychotronics, like a dope phonic. CIA leaked document. Actually, it wasn't leaked, it was released through FOIA. And this is a good kickoff. In the beginning, West European philosophy, which formed the foundation of modern physics, was a reductionist, two-dimensional theory of mind and matter which said it was possible to explain all the world's phenomena in physical and chemical terms. The main reason why modern science has now reached an impasse is that it has neglected the category of consciousness, something non-existent that has to do with matter, energy. However, in recent years, Eastern philosophies have been looked at again as part of a reformulation of Western philosophy, so that, for example, they appeared in a seminar entitled Science and Consciousness held in Cordoba, Spain in 1979. Here, the concept of space in which existence and non-existence are interrelated was, though expressed in other words, nothing other than the existence and functioning of a matter-less ether. Matter-less ether. Matterless ether. Matterless ether. It has not been possible to explain virtual energy of paranormal phenomena by the relationship between matter and energy in conventional physics. E equals mc squared. What has been required is a reformulation and reorganization of Western science, with the inclusion of the category of consciousness. And what has been born as a result of that is the new science of psychotronics. Feel the bass bionic, psychotronic, feel the bass bionic. Right? Right. Unless you're wrong, and then, of course, you gotta go right. Right? Right. Russia. Russia. Kostya, if you're watching this video out there, you need to find me, get in touch with me. I ain't seen you in far too long, my friend. We need to catch up. Plavniks. Kostya Plavniks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. CIA is trying, I think. I think all we can do is try right at this point. The consciousness, matter, energy triangle proposed by the author, i.e., a formula of the interchange of consciousness, matter, and energy, has had great repercussions in the scientific world, both at home and abroad. The existence of such a conversion formula was predicted by the English astronomer V.A. Fursoff. He stated that mind, i.e., consciousness, author, is a universal entity or interaction of the same level as electricity or gravity, and we can expect a formula similar to Einstein's famous E equals mc squared to exist for it. Yes, you would, wouldn't you? Author Kostler, The Holland Revolution, published by Kosku Shah, that in concrete terms is what the author has obtained. The actual derivation of this conversion formula is extremely simple, as shown below, but the influence will have on the world, but the influence it will have on the world view of scientists is incalculable. Well, it's incalculable, incalculable if it never makes it, right? Never heard about this. You ever see this in any of your physics books? I sure didn't. Newton's formula of universal gravitation can be stated, not that, you know what I'm saying. Newton's formula of universal gravitation can be stated and transformed as follows. Okay, this should look familiar. This is nothing but Coulomb's. Remember this name, this gentleman right here. If you're not I know a lot of this goes over your head, people. Um, that don't understand math or formulas or mathematical formulas, don't worry about that. Pay attention to the language, okay? Just don't think about. I do want you to think about these. Like, look at them, look at the numbers, and look at the signs, and look how they are. Um, you'd be surprised what kind of things your mind will unlock for you, and things you will recognize in these mathematical equations for the absolute layman. Just look at the numbers and the symmetry and the way things are lined up together, and you'd be surprised what you know, or what you know that you didn't know, but you do know. The equation can be expressed this way. There is nothing but Coulomb's formula in a vacuum shown in ESCGS units, expressing this in words. The universal gravitational pull between bodies M1 and M2 is equal to the gravitational pull between the virtual charges Q1 and Q2 given by equation 2, given that the quantity of virtual charge is considered to be the pan-physicist consciousness quality. The psychist, the panpsychist consciousness quality. Let me read that again. Given that the quality of virtual charge is considered to be the panpsychist consciousness quality, the conclusion is that the cause of gravity or the attractive force lies in the panpsychist consciousness that a body possesses. Okay? This, when matter, M, gravitational mass, and inertia mass together, is destroyed through the collapse of gravity, etc., without being converted into energy by Einstein's relationship E equals mc squared, it turns out that it is being converted into panpsychist consciousness of the order of this. Judging from paranormal and non-paranormal experimental facts, it is possible for the panpsychist consciousness virtual energy to be converted into real energy. In that case, if we require that the energy E of matter directly converted into energy be equal to the energy E when it is converted into real energy through the panpsychist consciousness Q law of conservation of ultra energy, then the conversion coefficient for the panpsychist consciousness Q and the real energy E can be summarized as follows. Check this out, okay? This right here is deadly. E equals mc squared equals kq right? You seeing this? Okay. The formula for the interchange of consciousness, matter, and energy can be illustrated in the figure. Thus, the matter energy conversion is realized as atomic power, and the energy matter conversion is realized by the creation of electron positron pairs, matter, due to invasion of the vacuum by photons. Similarly, it is thought that the other conversions, consciousness matter and consciousness energy, are bidirectional. Moreover, at the time of the paranormal powers dispute, it was reported that the mass of a spoon bent by a boy with paranormal powers had decreased by 3 milligrams. A debate sprang up as to whether such a thing could happen. But from the standpoint of the conversion formula mentioned here, such things are perfectly possible. The mass in question was converted into consciousness. A similar report by a physicist at London University appeared in the British scientific journal Nature. There, it was stated that part of a semiconductor material inside a capsule was destroyed under the influence of Uri Geller, my homeboy from way back, brother from another mother. Shout out to Uri Geller, you know. Einstein's relationship, E equals mc squared, was proved by the Hiroshima and Nagasaki atom bombs 40 years ago, after he propounded the theory of special relativity. Now, with the consciousness plus energy conversion formula that we have right here, we have entered the stage where it is being applied as a virtual energy device using electrical and magnetic fields. What is shown by the consciousness matter energy conversion formula is that our universe is not only a material universe visible to the eye and tangible, but also consists of a non-material universe. People, hear that? Non-material universe. These two universes are mutually connected by the conversion formula. The Eastern world of mind and matter as one, and the Oriental view of the universe as everything is emptiest. Everything is emptiness. Everything is emptiness because the spoon is not real. The spoon is in your mind. It's not really here, it's in your mind. Light has to reflect to your mind, and the image is made in your mind of the reflection of the photons. The image is in your mind, not out there. It's in your mind. The universe is mental. The Eastern world of mind and matter as one, and the Oriental view of the universe as everything is emptiness. Emptiness is everything. Okay? Matter and consciousness. Emptiness is everything. Consciousness is matter. Nothing is destroyed and nothing increases. Nothing is born and nothing dies. The law of conversion of ultra energy, which is mentioned by Saki Manui, Sakyamuni in the Prajna Paramita Sutra, is identical to the psychotronic view of the universe we have described here. It will have major significance quantitatively and scientifically. This is the phrase from the Wisdom Sutra, commonly rendered, all is vanity. All is vanity. It's all an illusion. It's all a reflection. It's a reflection in your mind. Mentalism. Mentalism. All is mental. The universe is mental. Y'all have a good day.